Ni mubango utanyitwo kurehe ugaruruku munene guku bururi-ini na gukinya muthia uhuthiri wa mabuku ceceni-ini ciothe cia borithi. Amriu maabitha a borithi marihuthagira utaramu wa kiriu kwandikithia maciro hamwe na maumirira ma uthuthuria wao. Minista wa ugiteri Ndagitari Fred Matiang'i augite mubango mweru ni gukorwo giteithia hanene hari gukinyiria muingi motungata na njira hinyu, na oho ni mubango guteithiriria na njira nene hari kunina ungumania uria ukoretwo ugitabanio ceceni-ini cia borithi mbere ya mundu atungatirwo.
There's some funny thing called the file. Nunua chai, file ipatikane. Ongea na wazee, ili file ipatikane. Hao wazee sasa lazima wapotee, because you see, the story of the file, I am standing here today in the presence of you, Inspector General, DPP and everybody, as a proud citizen of this country, to say we have begun the final funeral to that thing called the file.
Riri ni rita ria mbere bururi wa Kenya urageria kuhimbiria mubango wa borithi kuyana motungata kugerera utaramu wa kiriu, na koguo ihinda-ini ria mieri 18 yukite maobitha othe a borithi guku bururi-ini matanyitwo gukorwo mathiite gubundithio uria mangikinyaniria utaramu uyu.
Within the next 18 months, all police officers must be trained and be prepared to come on this platform. Those who then cannot work on this platform will give us enough reasons to relieve them from our service so that we deal with police officers who are willing to serve Kenyans in a modern environment. I do not think that we are going to have a lot of arguments about that issue. We are moving away from analog operations to digital operations.
Munene wa borithi Hilary Mutyambai augite mubango uyu utanyitwo kurehe ugaruruku munene hari uheani wa motungata kuri muingi, akiongerera gukinyiria riu mubango ni wambiriirio kurutithio wira kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.
I am glad to report that the pilot project has succeeded in Nairobi, as demonstrated by our officers who have done an excellent demonstration for our digital occurrence book operates. So far, 210 desktop computers have been installed at police stations and posts within Nairobi City County, while 10,181 iPads have been issued to police officers working within Nairobi.
Ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Buruburu kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni kuigongona ria kuruguria mubango mweru ritabaniirio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.